And what's the process exactly when it comes to preparing for a role, whether it be comedy, horror, anything?
Well, I'll just say real quick that I don't think of myself as a method actor, because usually
Okay.
people have a certain idea of what a method
Oh yeah,
actor
yeah, that's
is.
true. That
I'm definitely not that. I do have a technique, um, which is helpful. For me, the process is the same. And I read the script a few times. I break down the character. I break down every single scene. I kind of I build it emotionally all the way through the script. And of course, memorizing as well. I with my fellow actors as well. And then kind of, once I like prepare as much as I can, and then in rehearsal, I kind of try to let it go, all that preparedness I got, so I'm not in my
yeah.
head about it, and just know that I know my lines, and I built all the moments, and just let that go and be in the moment with the other actor.